Up there.
What?
Straight up in the trees.
They can fly.
Yeah. See?
Yep, me too. I'm gonna go hang by the fan. I'm hot.
Go. Wait. Let it go, Anna. Oh, she's wrapped up in it. Bye, Bo. Well, time to change battery again.
A battery time?
Yep.
Take a picture of
Dude, can I just have their waterfall?
They have their own waterfall. They have everything.
I just want the waterfall. Oh, ducky swimming. It's going down.
I would want some.
It's going down. Is it ever gonna come back?
Ouch! It's done with life.
It's going.
It died. He's gone.
I haven't seen it pop back up yet.
He's gone.
There it was.
That's just his soul.
Holy cow. So a flamingo nest is 7 inches wide, 12 inches tall, and 12 inches at the base. I guess those in the center, and they're supposed to simulate a flamingo nest. Back to the family. Da, da, da.
Hi. Now I have a better lighting, Dad. Look.
And give us the gator and stuff was
Got it for me.
now right through there. Baby. Right through here for the gator.
What are you gonna get me for my birthday?
It's a long time away, child. Talk about that later.
Sounds like it's dying.
That was wicked.
What? That's the neighbors right there.
Oh, you say the neighbors? Why are you looking at the butt?
You sound a little raspy there. You should drink you some water. You want water? You want water? Yeah. Oh, are you beatboxing? Maybe you're beatboxing. Oh, okay, yeah. Give us a little toot toot. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Is you making fun of me? I think the wife is making fun of me. I think she thinks she got jokes.
Daddy, can I hold it?
Nope.
You and Mom.
What?
You and Mom would have me.
With what?
Here.
What? Oh. Camera break. That's the backside of the dinosaur thing. But we're not doing that.
Why not?
She just scared her.
Did she just say, is that real? Did she really? So over here, we supposedly have a bald eagle, a whooping crane, and an American alligator. Let's see. I see the gator already, I think. Staring right at me. Look at that. Look at that. Staring right at me. No, that one looks real. Quite possibly. Possibly.
Neighbors. You know, this is the neighbors.
I don't know, that one's covered so much, I think that would be fake.
No, you can see that.
Dude, there's so much algae on it, I'm not sure.
Look, she's behind it.
Because I mean, you see like a reflection of what we kind of do, but you know, that's the mean neighbor. That's the mean neighbor.
Like, I don't know. There's so much algae on it that
It's fake.
it's got to be fake.
Because how's it gonna hold its breath that way?
They really can.
Yeah.
They really can.
I don't think it's what?
I think it's fake.
I don't know. It's just she's got so much algae growth. I don't know.
He's like, no, look at me picture.
All right. Oh. Now we go this way. This way. Oh yeah. Cool. He's in a hole. Can we bury them in this hole?
No. Got it. We were built on Mars.
So yeah, we just have like a little camera that you don't have to be an expensive
Crazy if you use your words. Yeah.
For what?
Stop.
for Dayami.
For what?
Sorry. So I can take pictures for everybody.
For when when we go to the trip.
Oh.
Yeah, yellow little camera, no too expensive. Oh, she got a red camera. Oh, nice.
It's like a little.
We've got, I think we got several cameras at home that actually we could do that are digital. That I've got, yeah. Here's the whooping crane. Whooping crane.
Yeah, let's go here.
What's in here?
They got fishies in with the bald eagles.
Tiny fishy.
Uno donde está el de Woody, uno está abajo.
Can I take a break for a little while, Daddy? My side hurts.
Almost done, baby.
Tour guy, left or right?
Caden got the map, yo.
Give me a minute.
Okay, it's right. We're going to the other way.
Imagine taking a picture. Let me check.
Well, actually, I think it's...
We've seen the alligators, right?
Ooh, Anna?
Where's the cafe? That's the cafe right there, right?
Yep. So we've come out to the cafe. It's that way. So we need to be going this way.
You know what? I want to take the one more that you got. Or you finish all? Yeah, I think so. Okay. I think I have more. I don't know.
Hey.
Because it'd be cool if you got one more so with all of them to put it in your book. Huh? Please, I got more. I know for sure I packed more in here. I did.
It's got finesse.
All right.
Not talk
No.
about that.
Not that way. It is literally right here to the left.
What?
This this section. Yeah.
I got berries.
And then that's it.
So you can basically. Okay, so we're.
Yeah, because we gotta split the difference. Because see, this is that walkway we just came off of right here.
Okay.
So it's literally, it's right here.
Take this path up
Yeah,
and down.
right here.
Okay. Alright, that's what we're doing.
So where are we going?
Right here. So in here you got the backside of the wetlands. Refreshments and stuff over there. We come right up in here to some primates. Got a primate wall. Got all sorts of little details. the donations and stuff that have gone to creating this. Yeah.
I know where one is.
Look at the lemurs.
That was where we started, where we first came in.
Madagascar.
You tell lemur.
What are these animals?
Lemurs.
Daddy, I know where our food stamp is. Okay, but can you walk? I know where our
As long as it takes. This right here. Over here. This right here. We'll get there in a minute.
Oh, dang, that has big face.
Oh, there's babies inside of there. Babies are
Bite.
Okay, boys, come here. Hey, Zion, come. Let's go. Okay, let's go walk. Let's go walk.
Yeah.
And out.
Let's go.
Is it around this way? Right here. They're like stopping at each one of the pit stops. So it's supposed to be some kind of giant turtle up in here?
He's probably under
Malaysian
the water.
giant turtle, a painted river turtle. Wow, that's pretty cool looking.
Oh, right there.
Fly river turtle,
See it?
and a yellow-headed temple turtle. Yeah. So there was at least that one.
No, we know they're under probably.
Probably. Our luck, they're over in that corner mostly.
I did not see it.
Dude, get down.
Hey. I want to see this giant turtle.
Those definitely really can hold their breath. Oh look, there's one right there. Right by the log that's coming straight in.
Yeah, I see it.
I can see it.
You see
Right there at the water's edge by the log that's going in the water. Right there.
It blends in.
See it.
I was trying to see if that other one would pop up, but I guess not.
My leg is so messed up.
What they do? Keep walking? Around the corner and through the woods? Literally? It's like a fake swamp or real swamp water. Oh, it's real water too. Probably up in there. Ah. 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 Sam's.